Bitcoin finally broke out like we have been talking about in the past couple of days in the videos that I've been publishing. If you have been watching the videos for the past couple of days and even weeks, then you could actually very good anticipate this move on Bitcoin. Yesterday we even published a video where we actually say that Bitcoin is going to break out yesterday, most likely, at least that there is a high likelihood that we are going to see that event happening. And so far it has been a great call. Bitcoin did broke out. We got a nice retest of that resistance and we got a nice bounce breakthrough 39,000 US dollars. So that is very awesome, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about what we could be seeing for Bitcoin in the next coming days ahead. But guys, let's dive into it. Before we are zooming in Bitcoin, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button. Let's check if we can get above 100 likes on today's video. That would be awesome. I can also see on yesterday's video not many people have watched that video, which is actually sad because it was a very accurate TA, especially over the past couple of days, which is basically preparing you for that move that we are seeing right now in Bitcoin. So also, to make sure that everybody else is going to see these videos, make sure to smash up that like button. If you are new, to subscribe and drop a comment down below. So what we have been saying yesterday and the days before is that most likely we are going to see the breakout in the relative strength index already before when we are going to see that in the Bitcoin price. And that is also what we have seen yesterday. Here you can see on the 4-hour time frame the resistance of that declining resistance of that relative strength index was already broken right here, which increases the likelihood that we are going to break out in the price as well, which we have done so far. We got a nice 4-hour candle close right here, which is a confirmation of that breakout. We got a quick retest and then we got a nice reaction. That reaction is very important. Also with that reaction we saw a lot of volume coming in as well. We can see that right here over on Bybit. On other exchanges you can see that as well. Volume is increasing, which basically means that there is a lot of interest from traders within this move, which is showing us that this move is basically more significant. And so what can we see right now? What is important to watch right now in Bitcoin? And if you haven't entered any trade, what could be a potential level to re-enter a trade in Bitcoin? Well, we are going to have a look at that, guys. First of all, I do expect Bitcoin to continue this uptrend right here. However, in an uptrend we also can get pullbacks and we can it's never a straight line. It always goes with ups and downs. That is just important to say right here. Let's dive into the shorter term time frame, because if we just look right here at the 4-hour time frame and 8-hour time frame as well, we still can see that there is space to go for upwards momentum. We are seeing higher lows on the relative strength index, higher lows on all the momentum indicators that we think are very significant, which is showing us that this could be the start of a major reversal in the Bitcoin price, at least a temporary reversal, which could have definitely some buying pressure and some bullish momentum. If we zoom in on the 1-hour time frame, we can see a potential bull flag formation. If this is a bull flag formation, guys, then most likely we are going to see a breakout today, because bull flags are often shortly lived. What is a bull flag? A bull flag is a bullish continuation pattern, which means that we have a uptrend, we top out, we consolidate in a descending channel, we break the resistance and we continue this uptrend. The target of this bull flag formation is the pole of the flag right here. Put at the other side right here. If we would get a nice breakout to the upside, then that would bring the target at approximately 40,650 US dollars. So that is quite interesting. It is of course important for Bitcoin to hold some key levels right here. We got this level, which is at roughly 39,000, where we got that nice breakthrough. I also shared it over on my Twitter. That is important. That is an important reaction. If we lose 39 again, that would be definitely a big warning signal for me that this breakout is maybe not that significant, or that bullish momentum has maybe already run out of its steam. So losing 39,000 is going to be definitely be a warning signal, but it is always possible. Of course, we are seeing that sometimes that we are testing the former resistance of a pattern as support. So it is always possible for Bitcoin to come down, test that level as support, have a kind of capitulation, small fake out right there. Although I don't see that right now as the more likely scenario. Definitely, but that's just something to take in mind. As long as we are trading above that resistance, the falling wedge formation, this bigger falling wedge formation pattern could be still in play, which still means that the target of that formation would be right here at 47,000 US dollars. Don't forget, guys, that this resistance level that we just broke is approximately a 1 month resistance. So that is quite significant, and we were already expecting that move to the upside due to the negative sentiment, negative funding rates, all these divergences that are going on, signaling a potential reversal. So this is actually looking quite good for Bitcoin. However, in the immediate shorter term time frame, we could still see a further pullback right here in the price. If we are going to see bullish continuation, we're most likely going to break out from this bear flag formation, and most likely, if we are going to see that, it will happen today. So there are two ways to trade this, in my opinion, right now. You either re-enter at these levels whenever we are seeing a retest of the former resistance from that falling wedge formation, or we test 39,000 again. If you want to catch the breakout, so we are seeing a bullish continuation, you can also catch the moment we are breaking out from this bull flag formation. So these are actually the ways to trade them, to trade the formation right now, in my opinion. So either take the retest if we would get to those levels, or you take the breakout. Make sure, guys, that you always watch Will Portal before you open any trade. I have to be honest, I'm using Will Portal already for quite some time right now. And actually, of course, before there was Will Portal, I was looking at these metrics individually on all these different websites before opening any trade. I think these are by far the most important metrics that you have to watch before opening a trade. But since Will Portal is there, I do have to say all my trading have become way easier, and there have been way less trades in negative profit and loss. Actually, after I've launched Will Portal, I haven't got any loss on a trade anymore. So that was actually quite nice. Of course, that is not a it's not a guarantee, and of course, sooner or later you will have to cut some losses. That is how trading works. Probability-wise, you can be wrong now and then. That is something you have to take into consideration as well. However, using such a tool gives you a very better grip on the markets than what you have when you just look at the price action. So maybe I should make a little bit more tutorials about that. I'm right now working on a new chart that will be added to Will Portal. There will be a crazy chart which will show you exactly when to take profits in a bull market and when to start buying back in a bear market. So that's going to be very awesome. I might make some tutorials about how to use Will Portal, but I think next to looking at the structure and the price and things like the relative strength index, looking at these background metrics in Bitcoin like open interest, the funding rates, sentiment, and the Bitcoin balance on exchanges, this is definitely providing you an extra edge against other traders who are just looking at the charts. And you basically can just get a better grip on the markets. I think so, and it's definitely already working for me. And I already got some emails from some of you. I want to thank you for that. I got a lot of emails recently from you guys saying that you like the videos, or that you like the Will Portal dashboard. And although I cannot answer all of these emails, I do really appreciate them, guys. And every time I read such a message, it also gives me energy, and it makes it more fun for me to create these videos, and it gives me also more the feeling of being connected with you guys. So that is very, very nice. You know, it's very awesome. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, guys, that was it basically for today's video. The previous videos have been very important. Yeah, going into this breakout. Right now we have seen that breakout. I hope most of you got into a nice position, or right here at these lows, or you catch the breakout right here and you are in profit right now. That would be very nice. If you are interested in trading and you don't yet have an account over on one of these exchanges that I'm recommending, I have below this video a couple of exchanges where if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link, you can get a bonus of up to $12,300 US dollars. And on Bybit, the exchange that I use the most, you can get a bonus up to $4,100 US dollars if you meet the deposit requirements. Femex, you can get a 1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XPT platform right now, especially for the subscribers from the blockchain today, you can get a bonus up to $7,000 US dollars if you meet the deposit requirements. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find my affiliate links to these exchanges down below this video. You also find the link to the Will Portal website, but also the link to my Twitter account, which I think is very important to follow because I'm sharing quite some information over there as well. Guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today. I hope it is as good weather as it is right now in Holland. Holland is beautiful, sun is shining, and you really feel the first summer vibes right here, which is always a good thing in my opinion. I hope to see every single one of you in the next video, and take care of your trading. Okay, bye bye.